back, and today we're gonna do a short little video about I'm the first one, maybe the first one to get a rideable flying parrot. So let's get to it. So I don't really have any favorite YouTubers that play Adopt Me, but my favorite one called Terror Bright Games. So shout out to Terror Bright Games. She's my favorite. And so she doesn't have one yet. And I may be the first one that are not famous that has a parrot. So yeah. So here's my parrot. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. I love him. So let's do the emojis. And
just no, because he doesn't want you to teleport.
No, I'm gonna do it after I do this stuff.
Okay.
Do
you know where the heart is?
No.
I think it's over there. These are just signs.
Pretty sure it's in this. There it is.
Keep on tapping.
I love. I'm gonna show everybody I love my parrot.
I think that's all you can do.
Yeah. I love my parrot. He's so cute. He's not for sale. Sorry, everybody, but I just love him. He's my precious little baby. Don't be judging me, but he is a teen. Let's show some tricks. All the tricks he has. So let's do sit. There's sit. Tricks. Lay down. Lay down in the air. Tricks. Beg. Beg is my favorite trick. Then headstand. That's all the tricks he has. And I hope you liked today's video. Bye.